Our target kasi maka 75% of the total population of students. Okay? To meet it, may mga chat sa USG and even sa mga CSG advisors na ang iba kasi ay nag-uwian because asynchronous. Okay? Kung pwede daw yung first year to third year na umuwi na ay magboto ng online. And kaya pumunta ako sa AC, I talked to COMSELEC chairman, vice chairman, and other representative na nagpo-full blast online, and we decided full blast online from first year to fourth year. Yung wala talagang access, as of now naman, kung hindi asynchronous, ay maraming bumoboto. Actually, may pinakamaraming boto ay cream na bumoto na, followed by cast. Ang pinaka-list pa lang na bumoboto ay BT-BTED, but because of the number of students sila, hindi ko masabing sila yung pinaka-list. Parang ang pinaka-list pa ay CBM because sila yung pinakamalaking population, 198 pa lang yung bumoboto sa kanila. Yun. Kaya we decided with the COMSELEC to have it online first year to fourth year na pagboto. Pero hindi rin naman namin tinatanggal ang face-to-face hanggang mamayang 3 p.m. Doon sa face-to-face, meron pinipirmahan yung mga bumoboto na pangalan. Okay, nakapirma na sila. Doon sa Google Form naman, required nilang ilagay yung pangalan nila at section. Kaya doon kami checking kung nakaboto sila sa online at bumoto din sila sa face-to-face. We will decide again, before 3 p.m. maglalabas kami ng announcement if we will extend, because sabi ko nga, our target ay ma-meet yung 75% man lang noong total number of Minsuans.